Children, this is lesson 4 of history, the first cities. Before starting the chapter, we will just recapitulate the previous knowledge of the previous chapter. In the previous chapter, we have learned about the Stone Age, in which we have read about the Neolithic period. So this age is also called New Stone Age because the early man left his nomadic existence and began to lead a settled life. Invention of or development of agriculture, invention of wheel and pottery making began a part of the early man's life. So with the help of developed agriculture and invention of wheel, men started living in a community life. People living in group at the same settlement resulted in the growth of community life as it provided order and security to the earliest settlements. Children, we have also learned about that the previous people started or earliest people started believing in religions. So there were many religious beliefs that he believed in the life after death and worshipped the forces of nature such as the sun, moon, thunder and rain, etc. As early man started producing food, he began to lead a settled life. The people started living near the fertile river valleys areas. In the previous chapter, we have learned the man had discovered copper and bronze metals. So with the help of those metals, they could make better tools, and with the help of fertile land, so both can lead to the surplus production of food grain. Surplus production means a quantity much larger than is needed. So now they are having enough food grains, they could sell to other people also in the market. Now some people could leave agriculture job and earn their livelihood through craft and other trading activities. Now people started moving from villages to other centers which were set up for trade and commerce, and these centers only got transformed into cities. Thus, areas which were centers of trade emerged as cities. So, in this way, the term civilization came. Now, what is the meaning of civilization? The term, it has come from Latin word civics, which means citizen or townsman. It is the total accomplishment of human society in terms of agriculture, division of labor, population increase and urbanization. So, how we will define the term civilization? It means a highly advanced culture with towns and cities, crafts and trade, literature and organized form of government. And this civilization led to a new culture. The culture comes from Latin word cultura, which means to cultivate. It includes technology, art, science and moral systems and the characteristic behavior and habits of mankind. So children, in this chapter we are going to learn about the Indus Valley civilization. The Indus Valley civilization is one of the 4 great civilizations of the world. And the name of the 4 civilizations are Mesopotamia. It is known now Iraq. Second is China. Third is Egypt. And the fourth is Indus Valley civilization. It flourished along the floodplains of Indus and Ghaggar-Hakar river, approximately between 2500 CE to 1500 CE. However, traces were also found to exist after 1500 CE also, according to the radiocarbon dating. So children, why was it named Indus Valley Civilization? It was named because in India the first developed cities were found in the valley of river Indus. So it was named Indus Valley Civilization. It was spread over an area of 12,60,000 square kilometers over modern India, Pakistan and Afghanistan presently. It is also called Harappan civilization, as Harappa was the first city of this civilization which was excavated. Children, the most distinctive features means noticeable feature of the Indus Valley civilization or Harappa civilization was its urbanization. This city was so advanced like Bombay, Delhi. So this type of metro cities or cosmopolitan cities are very much urbanized. So this was the city which was urbanized during that period also, that much developed. So the sources to know about Indus Valley civilizations are based on archaeological sources with the help of archaeologists, evidences and the radiocarbon dating method. The first cities of the Indus Valley which were excavated were Harappa and Mohenjo-daro on the banks of the river Indus. And capital cities of Indus Valley civilization are Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, which are now located in present day Pakistan's Punjab and Sindh. You know children, the Harappan civilization and the city of Harappa was discovered in 1856 accidentally when the British engineers John and William Burton were laying the East Indian Railway Company's line connecting the cities of Karachi and Lahore. And in 1921, an archaeologist Dayaram Sahni discovered and excavated Harappa site in Pakistan, and in 1922 Dr. Rakhal Das Banerjee excavated Mohenjo-daro in Sindh district of Pakistan. Children, during that time Punjab of Pakistan and Sindh of Pakistan were the part of India, because that time partition was not done and that part which is now in Pakistan was a part of India only. So many sites or cities also were excavated further belonging to Indus Valley civilization, which indicated the vast extent of the civilization, which was spread over large part of Pakistan, Afghanistan and India. So nearly 150 sites have been found of this civilization so far. So the most important cities of this civilization were including Harappa and Mohenjo-daro are. So the first site which were excavated in India, that is Ropar in Punjab. It is located along the Ghagar-Hakar river bank. There is an archaeological museum also which were opened in the year 1998. The second site is Lothal in Gujarat. It is located at the head of the Gulf of Cambay. Third, Kalibang in Rajasthan. It was located on the banks of the river Ghagar. Fourth, Banwali in Haryana. It was situated on the bank of river Saraswati, which is now extinct river. Extinct means lupt hona, gayab hona. Fifth, Alamgirpur. It is in Uttar Pradesh. Sixth, Mohenjo-daro. It lies on the left of Sindh on the bank of river Indus in the south of Mohenjo-daro. Children, recently another site which is discovered in India is named Dholavir. It is recently site to be discovered and excavated in Kutch district of Gujarat. So children, we can see that the Indus Valley civilization was well spread out and covered parts of Punjab, Haryana, Sindh, Balochistan, Gujarat, Rajasthan and some parts of western Uttar Pradesh. Now the question is, why does Indus Valley civilization is such a popular civilization? So the answer is, first, it is one of the first 4 urban civilizations of the world. Second, the people there were more civilized than us as we are presently today. The people of Indus Valley civilization were more advanced, their infrastructure were more better than us. So children, we have seen that there were vast extent of civilization spread over large part of the world. So what were the reason behind it? So there are many reasons which were behind all these settlements were, first, rivers. Rivers were the source of water. They provided plenty of water for agriculture, domestic use, etc. The second reason is climate. The climate was warm and moist, which provided ideal condition for the survival to grow crops, hunting, gathering and for living, because the climate was not very hot or not very cold. The third reason is land. The land was extremely fertile for agriculture. It was fertile because of the river, which frequently deposited sand, silt, mud over the land due to flood causes. The main crops were grown were wheat, barley, sesame means till, mustard, rye, etc. So, children, we have learnt about the extent and size of the civilizations which were excavated in Indus Valley civilization, which were the part of Indus Valley civilization in India, Pakistan and Afghanistan. Hope you have understood better. Now in the next class we will learn about the special features of Indus Valley civilization, why this civilization is so popular among the world, around the world. Thank you. Have a nice day.